हेलो ऑल रिटेल ट्रेडर्स, नमस्कार सभी रिटेल ट्रेडर्स को। प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट एंड हिट द बेल आइकन टू गेट द लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स। थैंक्स। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल प्राइस एक्शन फॉर रिटेल ट्रेडर्स में आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत है। ऑल ट्रेडिंग पार्टनर्स, सभी ट्रेडर्स, रिटेल ट्रेडर्स, आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत है। अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अच्छे ट्रेड के लिए, अच्छे सेटअप को समझने के लिए आप सब्सक्राइब कर लें। एंड मोस्टली आई स्पीक इन इंग्लिश एंड means English kind of thing, Hindi English. I try to mix both the language so that English speaking people and हिंदी समझने वाले सारे भारतीय जन इसको अच्छी तरह से समझने की कोशिश करें, बिकॉज बहुत ही अच्छा ट्रेड सेटअप हम लोगों ने इस वीक देखा है और बड़ा ही मज़ेदार जर्नी रही है। इट्स लाइक फ्री फॉल, नो स्टॉप, बस पैसे बनाते जाएं, बनाते जाएं, बनाते जाएं, खास करके पिछले दिनों में और आज भी। सो मैं शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ बैंक निफ्टी से एज यूजुअल, एंड आई विल ट्राई टू कवर बैंक निफ्टी एंड देयर आर 1 2 3 4 stocks are there, but I won't take much time on stocks particularly, because we have to understand कि we whether we are getting any trading opportunity in either side. No, because we cannot assume that market has stopped it. It may fall further. It has found a very formidable support, no doubt, but it may fall further. There is at this point we should not avoid. Maybe Monday may be consolidating. Even today, my expectation that market should go in a range sideways kind of, but it falls sharply. But the first fall was very good because it found a very good support and that worked like anything. So we have capitalized that pullback, and we have capitalized the fall from the pullback as well. So how we can identify all these things, we will try to understand in this. So वीडियो थोड़ी लंबी हो सकती है, so आप सभी लोग अंत तक बने रहें. वीडियो may be longer than usual, and I would request or expect everybody to be in the video till the end. Or once again, subscribe my channel. Thank you. So in the Bank Nifty, in the journey ahead, since 18th October onwards, then 21st October, then 25th October, it has been following the way it should have been, because all those targets which I assumed and shared on my reviews videos have achieved successfully. But this 27th and 28th and 29th, this was like a start of a new journey. So which I did not mention in my last reviews, that yeah, it will fall. But for in case of Nifty, I have mentioned all these things, that what would be the level of Nifty on the downside. That is, I think 17,836 was the figure which I have highlighted in my last video. So I'm not sure how many of you have identified, because first time I typed that figure, I typed a figure on the screen, and that was instrumental. But 18,000, many people identified that 18,000 is a good support, but that was a trap actually. But how to identify all such traps, that we will be discussing in this video today. So we have seen that there is a breakout. Actually, our setup is like, if you look at this, there is a breakout upside. If you look at this, there's a breakout upside. And if you look this setup, there should have been a breakout upside. And Bank Nifty has been underperforming if we compare this to Nifty. And if Nifty moves in a direction, it cannot leave its major partner, that is Bank Nifty. Like last couple of days, last 3 days, I think, Bank Nifty has been taking all the sectors together, whether it is IT, whether it is pharma, whether it is auto, metal. I think almost all the sectors have been following badly. And if we try to understand why this, it's simple. It's simple that if there is a breakout downside, where do you find your target? Can you understand this? Where do you find your targets? I can see the first target is this, which immediately achieved. It means market is in a mood to figure out other targets. Second target was this, which is also immediately figured out. The third target was this, sorry, was this. Somewhere in this there was, we assumed that it should halt, and it halted here for some time, and given a traps, number of traps formed. And here, this trap, people assume that this is a good support, but this cannot be. When there is a one side move, then the mirror image is also there for the one side kind of. This has been happening for long. एक साइड से जैसे उठेगा ऐसे ही एक साइड से अगर गिरावट आई तो वैसे ही आएगी. So this journey was even smaller than this one, because you can see 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 candles are there. 1 2 3 4, even fourth candle it lost its control and fell down. Excuse me, it happens sometime. Weather are changing, so throat is not that much comfortable every time. So this journey is also like anything, it following this pattern fall, and it should have hold. Why I assume that there would be a sideways kind of thing, because the candles have spent much time during this formation. But even today it fall like anything, and it find a support 38,800. This was a support which in my group I have shared that this would be a possible target of this fall, which achieved just in the morning, and there is a pullback. So this is a 1 hour chart. If we split into 15 minutes at least, let's see how does it look. So in 15 minutes there is a pullback, and it rose up to this level, which is just above the support, and try to halt. And this halt was a trap. This halt was a trap that people think that it will rise further, it will rise further, it will rise further. But if you draw a Fibonacci at this level, you will definitely try. You will easily understand why it fall. Why did it fall from this level? First, the 50% there is a rejection. Second, there is a bearish flag kind of pattern happened at this point. If you go in the lower smaller time of frame, you will find there is a bearish flag kind of thing pattern happened here. So fall is there, right? So now, how do we decide what happened in the next? Let me bring it out to 30 minutes time frame. So next, how do we decide what will be the next action in Bank Nifty, right? So my assumption is very fair. If I find a falling pattern, I will short. If I find a upward trend, I will try to identify the resistance, and I will hold my position till the resistance. That's it. So here we can see that there is a trend line. 1 hour time frame, it is a steep one, but in the smaller time frame, it is a good one. And इधर भी एक trend line बन रहा है, right? So we are in a pattern, right? If there is a breakout, our journey would be up to this level, and we will short again. We will try to find out that this support is not tested yet, but there is a pattern, means reversal of pattern can be identified. This is a low, this is higher low, right? And if this swing got beaten from the next move, then the trend reversal is confirmed. So we need to understand all these things in the what I can say, movement of the candle price and everything. So you can see there are some resistance support kind of patterns are created in on my chart. So it's a part of practice where to in order to find the support and resistance. But this time it crashed all the support and find one and found one, and that was a very decisive support. Because in the morning, if even after looking at this support, I found that the new low today we will not going to see a new low. So this is how the journey of Bank Nifty is in the week coming would be. So if you find any breakout downside, just sort it, and keep the target like this much target you can as you can assume, because the falling spree may continue if this support does not hold. So the first target would be this, and the next target would be more than this. This is all about the Bank Nifty. Let's move out to Nifty again. So Nifty, I still hold the patterns which I have worked last. So the gaps which has been filled, and on 18, people assume that this is a support zone. Obviously, this is a support zone. This is a support zone if candle not stopping, if candle would have been stopped here. Right. This would have been a good support if candle have stopped here successfully, which it did not. First, means this is the latter part I said. If there is a continuous fall, you can see that there is a channel which I have discussed last time, that there is a breakout. It failed, and last week I have said that Monday we are expecting a breakout from this side. So what is the where is the where is the point to understand that gap up happened on Monday, that is 25th of October, right? Gap up happened on Monday, but this is a very huge red candle, and that signifies that whether the rise will be higher or where it would be fail again. So if you can see from this level, from this point, and if you see, I was talking about this resistance. Sorry, I got a call, which I cannot miss. If you see this, there has been a pullback from, not pullback, there is a gap up and candle rise further. So we can take every rise as a resistance. In last videos I have told number of times. So every rise is a resistance. So this is a resistance. Candle fell from here, it is a resistance. Candle fell from here, it is a resistance. Candle fell from here, it is a resistance, and there is a breakout, right? So do you think this breakout is that much decisive? And at the same time, I see that there is a rising wedge, and another pattern is like this is a bearish flag, correct? So the fall was imminent. Fall was imminent because this breakout in 1 hour time frame did not sustain, and there is a lesser consolidation, or you can say technically there has been a distribution kind of thing, and the traders are on the decisive notion that we should start profit booking, and that started like anything and fell. You can see that it did not halt here, because, and this is the decisive again, where if it did not halt here, so this retest is means price rise from here, come back to retest successfully, come again back to retest, and if this has been a successful retest, it would have been flown like anything and meet this target again, all time high kind of, right? So this did not happen, and eventually it fell below, If it fail below, it will bridge all these gaps and finally found a support, because there has been a support, there has been a resistance, break, fail, and break successfully. So this is a huge support. So what is the outcome of the Nifty in the week ahead? In my opinion, Nifty would be moving like Nifty is opened at a opened here, failed to the support, and pull back itself and closed as a good note. And after certain rise, it fell back again. If we look at the 15-minute time frame, it has a breakout. It had a breakout so far. I remember. Let me check. No, 15-minute time frame it did not. Maybe 5 minutes it had a breakout. But if we follow this trend line, we can simply understand that price is it is very difficult for prices to move up, because sellers are sitting at every touches of the trend line. So let's see, the price is growing to narrowing itself, and if there is a breakout, we can take an opportunity for smaller targets. Not I'm not looking at a very huge targets from now at this level, although this is a very good support. But let's target for smaller caps first, like 100 point. Again, if the price hold here, then it move further. We can plan accordingly, and we need to have our stop loss very strictly, that need to identify in every trade. And if it falls, I don't know where it will be leading to. Let me check. If it fall, I don't think it will fall much, because there has been a consistent support here. After this has been a major resistance earlier, and it broke, take support, come again. You can see the pattern. It broke here, come to test, fly, come to test again. If this has been a poor support, it would have been fallen badly, but it flown like anything. This is what I'm trying to make you understand. Like, if it has come to test like this, and at this point it should have been rising, but it failed to happen. So we will plan accordingly. We will check our levels. If any breakout happened in a smaller time frame, we will have smaller targets, and we will be plan accordingly our stops. And if it fail, I don't think it will fail from now. So following Nifty, we can say that Bank Nifty is also at a very strong position, because in Bank Nifty we have seen that there is a higher high kind of pattern, sorry, higher lows kind of pattern have been formed. But still, we cannot deny this pattern also. If there is a breakout, it can come to retest again at this level. And if it fall, we can decide based on the patterns formed here. Correct? So what I'm saying that this is a very strong support for the Nifty, but we haven't seen any higher highs at this level. So possibility is either side. If there is any drop, which I think it would not, because Nifty is at a very strong support, as I discussed just some time ago. And Bank Nifty is relatively stronger, because it has created higher lows at this level. But we cannot deny the fact that if there is any breakout downside, we can expect a fall up to 38,000, 38,300 around, right? So we will plan accordingly. If Nifty is bullish, the Bank Nifty definitely will be rising, and but our upside targets is not should not. I'm not suggesting to take very higher side. If there is any rejection start coming, if I elongate this, take this as a support of the candles. If it is coming holding this, our stops should be below this. So this way we can manage our trades in days to come. And my thought is not that much good, so I'm stopping here, and the video is quite long. So Bank Nifty would be quite interesting next week. and I wanted to add those stocks as well, but the video is quite long, and I don't think that people would be comfortable there to watch a long video. So I would be creating a separate video for the stocks, because at this time we need to understand how stocks respond to Nifty. Does it go along with, or does it change the pattern? Will it help the Nifty to changing its pattern from downside to upside? So I'm just concluding this video, and I hope all of you will be having a good trade ahead. Wish you all the best and have a good trade, good profit and everything. Stay healthy and subscribe my channel if still you haven't, and watch my preview videos as well to get an understanding of all the analysis, weekly particularly. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned.